Hello everyone, and welcome back to your favorite YouTube channel called DareWears. Hi everybody, how are you? I am feeling fantastic today. So fantastic that I can't wait to show you these amazing outfits. I'm sure you're probably wondering, what are we doing today? Today we're doing something a little bit different. You know how we like different things on my channel. But I'm gonna be showing you some outfits that I didn't wear during the Miss Bikini Model and Pageant Search of 2021. You're probably thinking, wait, what? Yes, if you didn't know, in July I was at a pageant where I was the Miss Bikini model for the United States of 2019, and due to the pandemic, we didn't have a pageant. So I got to be the national queen for the Miss Bikini US for 2 years. It was incredible. I wouldn't trade it for anything in the world, but I had to pass along my title. So now I am no longer this national title holder. And yes, I have a vlog coming for you guys very soon, but I wanted to show you some honorable mention outfits that I didn't get to wear because I had so many to wear during that week of competing. Without further ado, let's get started. But before we get into that, don't forget to check out my free social medias. I have an Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter. Those are the best places to see my free content and see what I'm up to on the daily in between YouTube uploads. And if you'd like to see a little bit more of me, you can join my Patreon or my OnlyFans. Patreon is the best place to see behind the scenes from these YouTube videos. Woo-ha. And it's a great place to connect with me, but if you'd like to see me a little bit more, I am on OnlyFans day and night, answering back fans' messages, and I live stream every once in a while on there, so feel free to check those two out. It supports me and it supports this YouTube channel. Now, let's show off some of these amazing honorable mention outfits. Should we start with the one that I'm wearing? Just because this one didn't get packed, but it's super cute. Let's start with this one. Alrighty, this is our first outfit that didn't quite make the Miss Bikini cut. So this outfit is a tracksuit by Fashion Nova. I'm sure you guys recognize it. It's an iconic piece that I wear a lot on my YouTube channel when I'm just being comfortable and just hanging out. And I paired it with a pair of Adidas sneakers that I got off Amazon. They're super cute. But I didn't end up bringing this because I had so many other cute pairs of like casual, comfortable clothes to wear in the hotel, like basically in my room, that this one just didn't quite make the cut. It's comfy, it's sporty, but yeah, I just had some other really cute jammies to wear. So let me show you some of these extra fabulous outfits. Are you guys ready? Hit that like button if you're ready. Did you hit it? Did you hit the subscribe button too? No one's been subscribing lately. Please subscribe. Okay, next outfit. Should I twirl into the next outfit? Yeah? Okay, let's twirl. This is the second look that I didn't exactly get to wear at the Miss Bikini pageant, but I did in fact wear it on my birthday, so I thought I'd share it with you all here. This is a two-piece Fashion Nova set that comes with a flare pair of pants. Believe it or not, these are pants. But it kind of looks like a cool flare skirt. And I guess I would say like a crop top, tank top in the best way. Like, I'm not sure how to describe this, but it's like a mini tank top that only covers the goods up top with the little strap and just a cute little zipper in the back. I rate this a perfect 10 out of 10. I just didn't end up wearing it, just mainly because I had so many other sparkly outfits. And this one just didn't, you know, shine as much as the sparkly one. But let me know what your ratings are for this outfit while I switch into the next. This is our next look on didn't quite make the mark. Maybe that's what I'll call the video. Actually, I would call this one a fail in my opinion. So this is a Fashion Nova dress where it's got that top crisscross feature on it, which is huge right now. It is such the rage, and it's got this ruched skirt with a tie on the one side that kind of brings everything in together. And I didn't get this one till I got back home from the pageant, and honestly I'm kind of glad because it's just not, I don't feel like it's very flattering at all. Like, I think this cut of dress looks flattering on my figure, but the fabric that they use is super thick that it makes me look like kind of chunky. I don't know. What do you think? I think here looks great. Like, if here up was a thing, yeah, I'd be totally down, but then it wouldn't be a dress. So I'm not sure what is working and what's not, but let me know if you agree or disagree. So I would definitely rate this like a 4. The sparkles are great, but everything else is not quite it. While you're deciding your score, I'm gonna switch into the next outfit. Okay, look at this flashy little number. This is another dress from Fashion Nova, which is a spaghetti strapped, I can't say that normally for some reason, dress that is very stretchy and very comfortable and completely covered in these beautiful sequins. But it has this little cutout panels in the side leading to the back and a little bit of a slit, a teeny tiny little courtesy panel. And yeah, I like the sequins on it, but everything else I'm just not a fan of. I don't understand why they did a high thigh, but then put in like a modesty panel, but didn't continue it all the way through the dress. It has weird hemlines, like one is really down low, one's really up high. Like it, to me, looks like they made a mistake. And instead of just like grabbing the next dress and fixing it and getting rid of this one, they just sold it. And it's kind of upsetting because I was really looking forward to this dress and it looks just like a mistake. Let me know if you agree or disagree. I would definitely rate this like a 3 because it looks confused. Like it looks like it doesn't understand what it's doing. Still beautiful. I think the idea is great. Just needs to be workshopped a little bit more. Let's try on the next dress. This is outfit number, what number are we on? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5? Maybe 5, I don't know. But this is a spectacular dress that I actually purchased from one of my good friends. So this dress didn't actually make the Miss Bikini cut because it didn't get delivered in time. I ordered it after the pageant, but I had to show you guys how amazing this dress is. This is like the perfect pageant dress, where if you have an appearance you need to make, or if you're gonna be on some sort of like news station, this is totally what I would wear. It's just this beautiful turquoise color. It's conservative up to the neckline. It's just got some sheer cutouts, and it's got those beautiful AB crystals on it that just make the dress sing. She is gorgeous and fabulous, so I would rate this a perfect 10 out of 10. Let me know if you agree, and also let me know if you think turquoise is my color, because I'm convinced after this dress. Let me know what you think. She's stunning. Okay, everybody, now we have a very unique and special segment for you. All of those were like daytime outfits that are more, I'd say like casual, but now we have some outfits that didn't quite make the cut for the beach and for like beachwear cover-ups. So stay tuned, we've got some really saucy things ahead. I have a feeling you remember this sassy salmon two-piece. This is a really cute and creative set from Dolls Kill that I just didn't end up wearing during the pageant because it has all these like really cool straps on it that are supposed to sit up on your hips and on the lowest part of your, or the tiniest part of your waist. And I thought it was such a cute concept, but when you're wearing a bikini, that's just gonna be adding like more straps. So it'll be like straps on straps on straps, and it would just be like too much. So I have to find a perfect place to wear this and something to wear underneath it because I have no clue. It is so adorable though. I would still rate it a 10 out of 10. I just need like the perfect bikini to wear under it. Do you have any suggestions? All right, let me show you the next bikini cover up and then we'll move on to bikinis. I can't wait to show you. Are you scoring everything too, by the way? Don't forget to score them. Ooh. Okay, this bikini cover up is amazing. This is a Fashion Nova two-piece sarong bottom bikini cover. And quite frankly, it's not a bikini cover at all, even though that's what it says on the website. It doesn't even come with like bikini bottoms or anything. It's just more of like a hoochie dress. It sort of reminds me of, if you've ever seen Lilo and Stitch, it reminds me of Nani's outfit when she works at the luau, which is why I really liked it because it totally reminds me of her. And I love Nani from Lilo & Stitch. Like, Lilo & Stitch is my favorite, or one of my favorite Disney movies. So I definitely had to have this outfit, and I only wore it like for a hot second during the pageant. So technically it didn't quite make the I'm gonna wear it around for a long period of time cut, just mainly because there's not a lot of fabric. But I absolutely love it. I would give it basically an 11 out of 10 because it's so cute and super amazing. We gotta get Fashion Nova as a sponsor, guys, because like I love their stuff. Do you agree or disagree? Let me know in the comments. Alrighty, let's get to 2 bikinis that didn't quite make the cut. Let's do it. And we're back. I feel like you guys have seen this crochet bikini before. Correct me if I'm wrong, but this is a 2-piece crocheted shell embellished bikini that I think I ordered the size incorrectly for the bottoms. The main reason I didn't wear this one while I was doing photo shoots was primarily because the bottoms just are a little too tight on the sides. It's not a bad thing, it just doesn't quite fit me as well as I like it to, and it kind of makes me feel like I'm busting out of the bottoms, and it looked unprofessional in my opinion. Like, I didn't know my own sizing, like I didn't realize I had like gained weight or something and I don't fit the bottoms. But now that my weight is a little bit more under control, I think I just need to like come to terms with the fact that like sometimes I just might be a medium in bottoms. And that's because I got this big dump truck in the back. I don't have a big dump truck, but I definitely got a dump truck, if you know what I mean. But yeah, super cute. Just didn't end up wearing because I thought the bottoms looked like they were being forced uncomfortably. Let me know if you agree or disagree. I would still rate this a 10 for the color and the embellishments because it's really cute. So let me know what you think. It's very cute. Okay, I'm gonna turn on to the next one. Here we go. And last but not least is this drink of a sunset bikini. So this one is one I actually got from Nikki Peacock. She picked it out for me. Go check out her YouTube channel if you haven't already. I'll leave it linked down below. She's such an awesome and amazingly nice person that we did a bestie bikini swap. You guys will have seen that before this video came out. So if you haven't seen it yet, go check that out as well. And she actually picked this one out for me. I didn't get a chance to wear it during this bikini pageant because obviously we didn't do that till after. But she did an amazing job picking this one out. This is like my favorite of all the bikinis she picked out for me. I rated it a 10 out of 10, and I'm definitely bringing this with me to Mexico for internationals. I'm so excited. But thank you guys so much for watching this video. Let me know in the comments below which outfit or bikini or dress was your favorite. Just let me know. I do read the comments. I know sometimes I don't reply, but just to let you know, I usually don't do that for my mental health because after about 10 minutes of the video being live is where the hate comments usually start to roll in. So I appreciate any kind comments. If you guys know, I post videos every single Wednesday, so get to the video fast, leave me a comment if you really want me to see it. That's the best way to guarantee that I'll see it and it will make me smile. Don't forget to check out my free social medias, don't forget to check out my free social medias, Instagram, TikTok, and Twitter, and also don't forget to check out Patreon and OnlyFans if you want to see more of me. I appreciate and love you all so much. Tell your friends about the channel and subscribe. And I'll see you Dear Bear Cubs in the next video. Bye. Please subscribe. Just do it. Please. Okay, I'm gonna go. Bye.